Hey guys, what's going on? JPRK31 here. About to open a 2018 Rookies and Stars Panini football break. This is the hanger box version. I got this at Target for $15, which is a little bit expensive if you compare it with the other hanger boxes. Usually they're like at $9.99, but this one's like at $15. But anyway, this one contains 6 NFL trading cards, and you're supposed to find 3 hanger box exclusive purple parallels. And they say there's supposed to be 15 hottest rookies per box average. And here's your odds. Well, not odds, but there's the cards you're supposed to get. And you're supposed to get the this inserts. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it. I mean, there is a blaster version in this box too, in a retail exclusive to Target. The blaster version is quite expensive. It's like I think it was $21, $22 to say the least. Which is, again, usually the blasters are like $19.99, $20, but this one's like the blaster version is like $22, so that's $2 more. So here we go. I think this is the first time you're gonna see this. Alright, so Alan Hearns, those are the base. I'm assuming that's the purple version of Kirk Cousins. They're not numbered. Or maybe not. Maybe it's just the border color. Tom Brady, GOAT. Which is a star. Kareem Hunt. Devontae Freeman. Aaron Rodgers. They're all base. Aaron Benjamin. Roethlisberger. Todd Gurley. Drake. These are all base. So Brandon Cooks. Jameis Winston, Logan Gordon, Eli Manning. Those guys, please subscribe to my channel so that we can continue doing some box breaks too. Rob Gronkowski, and for those that doesn't want to wait that long, I'll do like a quick recap of the hits in the last one. But it should be, these are all base like Carson Wentz. So lots of base cards now, just to begin with. So I'm just gonna go browse through this one. Again, there's like 60 cards in here. So these are all base. So I'm showing this. The purples I think is in the middle. Kevin Mack. Alright, so these are all base cards. At least they're like action cards. So action photo cards, that's good. Alright. And this is a rookie here of Carlton Davis, Aaron Donald, just look at action pack insert. Amari Cooper, Jarvis Landry, standing ovation. They're pretty much basic. Star studded. Von Miller. The Josh Allen precision passers. AJ Green touchdown club. So the inserts looks nice. And got the Jimmy Garoppolo action pack. Nice looking card. Larry Fitzgerald, standing ovation. I don't think they're numbered, so. And oh, we got a Baker Mayfield. Minka Fitzpatrick. I like that's a Baker Mayfield rookie card. That's nice. These are all rookies, yes. Dante Pettis, Dallas Goddard, Sean Hamilton, Chase Edmonds, Jermaine Demons, another Josh Allen rookie card, Eden Hurst, Leighton Van Der Esch, Derek Nutty, Royce Freeman, Joseph Jewell, Jalen Samuels, and DJ Reed. So I guess when you open this box, hanger box, hits are in the middle, then the rookies are on the back. Yeah, I'm assuming these are the purple parallels. See the purple? Let's see, where's the other one? Yeah, it's a little weird to find the. They say you're supposed to get purple parallels, but I only see one. You're supposed to get like 3 purple parallels, but that's the only one I can clearly say they're purple. Oh, this one too. This Aaron Donald, and maybe this one, just because of the purple one. Carlton Davis and Aaron Donald. So those are the purple parallels. Anyway, guys, please do subscribe to my channel. I am about to also make a video of the giveaways for November. So if you just please subscribe, and that'll be great. All right, thank you, and good luck in your breaks. All right, bye bye.